So if you are checking out today's video, I am going to be sharing a day in my life basically. I am at home on this particular day. It is a Monday, and I just wanted to film this video to share my lifestyle. I believe that my lifestyle is positive, it is healthy, and I just wanted to share the importance of just having a happy home. A happy home is everything. Your home should be a place where you enjoy coming to. You can leave all the drama at your front porch on the front step. And when you open your door, you are in your safe haven. You are in your sanctuary. That is how I feel, and that is the standard I have set for my home. So I am starting this video off with me paying my cable bill. How fun. And the way I like to monitor my bills and any transactions is by grabbing that green notebook that you see. And if you can't already tell, I love the color green for obvious reasons. And I have a pen and of course my phone. I prefer to pay my cable bill and a majority of my bills using my phone because a lot of companies have mobile apps, so it's pretty convenient. But I love my notebook because I prefer to write everything down. Write it down because I can remember it, I can refer to it later. I just love writing my bills down so I can have a projected amount to spend, a projected expense, a projected income. So it's great. I just prefer this method. If you have another method, please feel free to share that in the comment section below. I am just making myself a quick snack. I thought cheese and crackers sounded like a good idea, so I grabbed fresh mozzarella, club crackers, original, and I am also going to add a few red grapes on my plate as well. So it is a pretty low calorie snack. Nothing too harsh or hard on my stomach, and that's going to hold me over until I cook dinner. I always find myself purchasing some type of fruit when I go to the grocery store. I love red and green grapes, so I am not too particular which one I pick up. On this particular day, I have red grapes. A few hours later, I am preparing my dinner. I was going to cook myself tacos, and then I decided to make spaghetti. I was back and forth between spaghetti, tacos, taco, spaghetti, but at the end of the day, I had a delicious meal, and that was spaghetti. What are some of your favorite weekday meals that you like to cook, which are fast, easy preparation, and you can have for like a day or two? As you can see, I have my cutting board, and I am cutting a white onion and a yellow pepper. So I try to have my meals prepared to last me a day or two for leftovers. Keep in mind that fresh produce is the best for you. Always try to buy fresh ingredients. right now I am preparing to put my ground beef, onion, and yellow pepper on the stove. Just had a quick phone call I had to take care of. And as you can see, I am sliding all the fresh ingredients into my pan. And then we're going to add the ground beef. I like cooking my food on low temperature initially, and then towards the end, I will turn the heat up. So right now, I am just adding my ground beef to the pan, and with my spatula, I am attempting to just, you know, break the ground beef into smaller pieces. Again, attempting. Because I let the ground beef defrost. However, it's not fully defrost, as you can tell in the video. So cooking on low heat will definitely help it defrost and cook. So when you're cooking, just enjoy it, I would say. And when you enjoy it, I believe the food comes out 100% better. So right now, I'm just putting the additional ground beef away, and we are going to continue to cook the ground beef on low heat. Now it's time to season our food, starting off with garlic powder from Trader Joe's. Next, we are going to add Lawry's seasoning salt. Now I'm going to grab garlic powder. I love garlic. I love fresh garlic. And I love anything garlic. Last but not least, we are going to grab Italian seasoning. And I am just crushing the Italian seasoning in between my fingers. It's been about 20 minutes, and as you can see, my ground beef is cooking very nicely. And just remember, when you're cooking, patience is key. I am adding my spaghetti sauce, and then I am going to mix everything together. I decided to add ragu traditional sauce as well, and right now I am going to insert a picture of what that looks like, as well as black pepper. Garlic bread is going into the oven now. I am saying my blessing, and now we are going to enjoy dinner together. I have spaghetti with Parmesan cheese added on top, garlic bread, and lemonade, simply lemonade with water added for dilution. I can never drink simply lemonade by itself. It's just too sweet. So I always add a bit of water to break up that concentration. So if you're eating dinner today, comment down below what you are having. I am just watching TV. What is your dinner routine during the weekend or weekday? Do you find yourself eating out, or do you find yourself in the kitchen actually cooking? Keep in mind that we want to put good ingredients, fresh ingredients into our body. Our body is a vessel. We have to take care of our body, ensuring that we are drinking enough water and that we aren't indulging in too much fast food at one time. For me, I like to always eat at my kitchen island. That way I can ensure I am not making a mess all over my home, and I can have an easy cleanup once I get ready to clean my kitchen for tonight. It is so funny because I'm adding even more water to my lemonade. And for me, I love drinking water. So just ensure you are being mindful with your eating habits. When washing dishes, I always ensure that I have a pair of gloves on. I like wearing gloves because I do have sensitive skin and I can potentially get eczema on my hands. So, wearing the gloves is a must for me because it prevents moisture sitting on my hands from constantly washing dishes. So, that is very important for me. And I just like to put the dish rack out for the bigger items. So all the items that I use when I cook, I do not put in the dishwasher. As you can see, I have my cutting board, I have my pots and pans currently in the dish rack drying, and then the smaller items will go into the dishwasher. I am also burning a Bath and Body Works candle to set the mood and to allow my house to just smell fabulous at night. I also will burn a candle during the day when needed. So I've started the dishwasher. And last but not least, in order to clear my sink, I am just putting all the small leftover food items down the garbage disposal, and I am going to turn that on in a few seconds just to get all the gunk out of my sink. And there we go. Everything is nice and clear and clean in my kitchen sink, just the way I like it.
I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Now we're getting to the fun part, and that is cleaning my stove top. I am going to grab a Brillo pad and I've added a little bit of water. And as you can see, I am just cleaning my stove top with this Brillo pad to ensure that any type of grease is removed. The Brillo pad is great for grease removal. And then I also have a damp paper towel, and then I'm going to follow up with my kitchen towel just to ensure everything is dry. I guess I wasn't satisfied because I am cleaning my stovetop burners again with the Brillo pad just to ensure that there are no stains, no residue of grease. If you do this every day or when you cook, your stovetop should be in good shape, in good condition for a long time. And then again, I am just following up with my kitchen towel to ensure everything is dry. To me, I do see a bit of smear marks, but that is okay for right now.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. Goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away, come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around, around. I want you around,
So we have reached the end of today's video, and here are my final results of my nightly cleaning routine of my kitchen. The results never disappoint. That is so satisfying to watch. The granite is shiny. I just love the gloss that the granite has because of that granite cleaner that I use on a daily basis. If you haven't checked out my previous video, I do mention the product that I use. I am just so happy. The dishes are drying. The candle is burning. The home is smelling fabulous, honey. The kitchen sink is clear of any items. And there are no items that do not belong on my countertop. I am so big on just putting things away in their necessary spot. So we have reached the end of the video. Like I said earlier, I hope you all enjoyed it. Please make sure you support my channel and like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, share this video. My name is Paris. My channel is called Welcome to Paris. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Bye.
I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking